This forgotten beauty has been sitting here for decades, rusted, broken, and left to decay. But today, we're bringing it back to life. First, we strip it down to its bare frame. Every bolt, every panel, every wire, gone. This is where we uncover the real damage. And trust me, it's worse than we thought. Rust is a car's worst enemy, but we're not giving up. We grind down the rusted metal, cut out the bad sections, and weld in fresh steel. Slowly, the car starts to regain its shape. Now the magic begins. We lay down a fresh coat of primer, followed by our final color, sleek, glossy, and absolutely stunning. Just look at that shine. With the body looking brand new, it's time to bring the heart of this machine back to life. The engine gets a full rebuild, the interior is refreshed, and every detail is carefully put back together. And here it is, the final transformation, from a rusted relic to a road-ready legend. What do you think of this build? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a restoration.